Dear students, welcome to Kalarava Tutorials Chitradurga. Students, in this video we have explaining the 10th maths question paper with solution. I will give you this mathematics question paper with key answers on the cooperation of the Andigeri classes of Dharwad. So this question paper is given by Andigeri classes of the Dharwad. So I will make this video on the behalf of that classes. So you use this question paper and with the model answers for your future examination that was going on in this month. So students, if you are new one to our channel, please subscribe our channel, and also on the notification I will uploaded all the subjects model question papers with key answers. So you have to subscribe our channel, and on the notification, if you like this video, give a like for this video. So students, now come how the question paper and model answers are there. So this was the YB Andigeri classes at Dharwad. It's a good college for future. If you have any opportunity to join the PU college, you have to join this YB Andigeri college. It's a good college. On the behalf of YB Andigari college, I will uploaded this model question paper. So we will see this model question paper how it is. Yes, students, this is the mathematics model question paper. So you have to practice this one by using the answers. So I will explaining this model question paper on the basis of these questions. So students, in the first question we see the question is like this: x is equal to 2 to the power of 4 into 3 square, and y is equal to 2 square into 3 square into 5, z is equal to 2 to the power of 6 into 3, and the HCF of x, y, z is. So for finding the HCF, we have to taken the highest terms, highest factorization, that is highest power of the number. So that means for the HCF, not LCM, for the HCF we have to take the least term. Here in these three, x 2 to the power of 4, 2 square, and 2 to the power of 6, the least is 2 square we have to taken. And also here it is 3 square, 3 square, 3 is there, 3 is the least one, we have to taken this also. And here it is 5, but there is no 5 in this x and y also, z also we didn't taken that one. Only this is the HCF, that means 2 square into 3 is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. If they ask LCM, how can you find out the LCM of this one? That is highest power. 2 to the power of 4, 2 square, 2 to the power of 6, we have to take 2 to the power of 6 here. And then 3 square, 3 square, 3, you have to take 3 square here. And then here it is 5 is there, in this one there is no 5, but it has 5 to the power of 0 is there. Here also it is 5 to the power of 0 is there, therefore we have to take 5 also. So this is the LCM of the terms. This is the HCF means least terms, LCM means highest terms. So this is the option C is the correct answer. Then we move on to the next one. Question 2. The degree of the polynomial in the given graph is. The degree of the polynomial means how can you find out the degree? So you can find out the degree by how many times this graph, this is the graph, this graph, how many time it touches the x-axis we have to count, that is the degree of the polynomial. 1, 2, 3, 3 times it touches the x-axis, therefore the degree is how much? The degree is 3. Option D is the correct answer here. So you have to mark option D is the correct answer. Then we are moving to the next question. Question 3. P and PB are the two tangents drawn to a circle centered at O. So wait, 1 minute. Okay, here P and PB are the tangents they given. These two are the tangents, and they given the angle, the total angle AOB. This angle, the total angle is equal to 150 degree. And then what is APB? Here we have to find out this APB. That means the sum of these two angles is always equal to 180 degree. So therefore when this one is given, you have to subtract this 150 degree, you get the angle of this one, that is 30 degree is the angle PAB. So therefore option B is the correct answer. Then we move on to the next one. Question 4. The formula to find out the curved surface area of the sphere. So curved surface area of the sphere is found out by, so in this sphere you know all the surface areas, the total sphere they given. So in the surface area there is no curved surface area and also total surface area. There is no separate areas. Only surface area of the sphere is there. If you find out this surface area of the sphere, you get 4 pi r square. And if you take the curved surface area of the hemisphere, you know half of this one, this surface area becomes 2 pi r square. This is the curved surface area of the hemisphere. And again the here the top, this one is pi r square. This is becomes a circle. Therefore the total surface area of the hemisphere is 3 pi r square. You see, observe, curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square and the base of the hemisphere is pi r square and total surface area is 3 pi r square and the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. There are 4 answers are here. 4 answers are related to this one only. So then we have moving to the next one. Here the question is that the degree of the polynomial in the graph given below. So already I will show you the one question. When you find out the degree of the polynomial, you have to identify how many times it touches the x-axis. Here there are 2 times. The degree is of 2. That means x square. This is the degree of the polynomial. So the degree of this polynomial is always 2. So option B is the correct answer. Then in question 6, they given that 3x plus 2, 5x minus 3, 4x plus 7 are the 3 consecutive terms of the AP. Then the value of x is, if these are in AP, that means if you have to find out the D, you have to subtract this from this. That means 5x minus 3 minus of 3x plus 2. So that is equal to, that gives you 5x minus 3 minus 3x minus 2. That gives you 2x minus 5. This is the value of D. And then from these two we have to find out the value of D. That is 4x plus 7 minus 5x minus 3 minus 5x minus into minus plus 3. This gives you, that is minus x plus 10. So both D are equal. We write this as 2x minus 5 is equal to minus x plus 10. If you transfer this x to the left hand side, that becomes 2x plus x, that is equal to 10. If you transfer minus 5, 10 plus 15, that is 3x is equal to 15. That is 3 ones are 3 5s are, x is equal to 5. The value of x is 5. Option C is the correct answer. If triangle ABC and DEF are the two similar triangles, here they given, this is these two are the similar ones, and BC is equal to 3 centimeter, EF is equal to 4 centimeter, and area of triangle ABC is 54 centimeter square, then the area of DAF. So here you have to find out triangle ABC, area of the triangle ABC divided by the area of triangle DEF is equal to, here we write BC square divided by EF square, or BC by EF whole square can be also written. So here we have to substitute the values. Area of triangle ABC is 54 divided by area of triangle DEF. You have to write this as it is. That is equal to BC square means, here BC is 3 square, divided by, or 3 by, how much it is, 4. 3 square and 4 square, you write whatever it may be, and that is equal to 3 square means 9 and 4 square is of 16. 9 ones are 9 six are. So you have to multiply this by cross multiplying these two. 16 into 6, 6 6 are 36, 3 6 are 96 is there. Therefore option A is the correct answer. By cross multiplying 6 into 16 you get 96. Then we move on to the next one. Question 8. Which among the following is not an example of random experiment? So random experiment, tossing a coin is a random experiment, throwing a dice is also a random experiment, drawing a card from the well shuffled pack, it is also a random experiment, determining the boiling point of the water is not a random experiment, because the always the boiling point is the same 100 degree centigrade is only the answer. There is no confusionable answers. So it is not a random experiment. Therefore option D is the correct answer. Then we move on to the next question. Answer the following questions. Here these are 1 marks questions. We have use some steps here. Here you observe, let the zeros of zeros of the, write the quadratic equation of the polynomial of zeros are 2 and minus 3. You have to find out the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. Sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta, that gives you minus 1, and product of the zeros is minus 6. Here the equation for the quadratic polynomial is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. So this is the quadratic polynomial. So that is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta is minus 1 into x plus alpha into beta is minus 6. So that is equal to x square minus into minus plus x plus into minus x. This is the quadratic equation. Here you get the answer. Here the given, find the two roots of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. The roots means the values of x, that is the formula is there. Here you have to plus or minus is there in the formula. You have to write once plus and another one is minus. These are the two are the roots of the equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Then we move on to the next question. Find the 10th term from the end of the AP. That means from the end of the AP you have to write the AP in the reverse form. That means A is equal to 254, D is equal to minus 5. You have to find out the 10th term. For finding the 10th term we have to use AN formula, or it may be TN formula. So you know the values here. This is an is equal to, that is tn means that is the term, nth term means, here a10 from the last, that gives you 209 is the last term from the end of the AP. State the converse theorem, Thales theorem. Here you have given the statement only. State means you have to write only statement. This is the statement of the converse theorem of the Thales theorem. And then 13th one, find the HCF and LCM of the integer 7, 23, 29 by prime factorization method. Here prime factorization means we have to use only prime numbers for the factorization. So these are 17 is equal to 1 into 17, 23 is equal to 1 into 23, 29 is equal to 1 into 29. That is HCF of this one is 1. And if LCM they give us LCM is equal to, we have to multiply all the terms. That means 17 into 23 into 29, that gives you 11,339. So this is the prime factorization method. And find the value of the sine square 64 plus sine square 26. Here you have to write this as sine square 64 is written as it is, and then you convert this 26 as 90 minus theta, that is complementary angles. That means sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore, sine square plus cos square is equal to, that gives you 1 as the answer. Next, given sine square plus cos square theta is equal to 1, prove that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So here, by using this one, divide both these by cos square, that gives you sin square by cos square theta, cos square by cos square theta. Sin square by cos square is of tan square, and cos square by cos square is of 1, and here 1 by cos square theta is secant square theta. So that gives you the answer. And in 1 marks, the last question, 16th question, calculate the volume of the cylinder of the base, radius 7 centimeter and height 7 centimeter. The volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. You have to use pi is equal to 22 by 7, 7 square into 7. Here 22 by 7 into radius is 7 into 7 and height is of 7. So 7 7 gets cancelled. By multiplying all this, you get 1078 centimeter cube. So next 2 marks questions. So here I will give you the answers only. So you will practice this one by knowing this one. Okay. So this calculation is only for verification, not for calculation. For verifying the answers, you have to this one. You put the values in the graph. So in this theorem diagram is missing. You write the diagram. Don't write the theorem without diagram. Please, you didn't get any marks without diagram if you write the theorem. Please write the diagram for this one. Yes, the diagram is given at the last. So student, this is the model question paper I'll give you. So this question paper is some difficulty level. It is some medium difficulty level. You have to practice this one also, because you don't know how the question paper is coming in the annual exam. So you have to practice these type of questions also, because for scoring highest score or scoring 100% score, you have to practice these type of questions also. So you have to complete using this question paper. You have to practice yourself by using the textbook questions also. So we will meet in the next video. I will upload it the same science and social also. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you. If you like this video, give a like for you for this video. Once again I will thank you.